Here's the sunroof holes in the Avanti. Just ground all that down to metal. Wiped it down with some Ospho, let it dry for about 2 days. Started to go pretty heavy with the Ospho. Put down some epoxy. Let that dry overnight. Came back, scuff it with some 180. Scuff into this whole panel here that we gotta end up priming. But for right now, I'm gonna work on filling these. What I've done on the underside is cut up some plastic container lids, cut them into strips, tuck those up in here, got them taped in place, and then jammed some stir sticks up in there to hold that. It'll give it stiffness. The plastic should let the filler release. After the filler dries, I should be able to pull all these out and get that shape underneath. The filler of choice here, all metal. USC. Has this kind of hardener, similar to epoxy resin, I suppose. Not trying to fill it all, just want to get enough to work with here. I'm trying to keep my edge. I'll come back later and build on this with other filler. Spots. Alright, this will get most of that. Clean up my edges here. One little spot around the corner there. Starting to set up already. Go quick on these last few spots here. There's a little edge there. On the low spots. Alright, that's looking pretty good. Got something there to start with. Now I gotta get this stuff cleaned up before it hardens. the thinner on here. Clean them up before it dries. These are really good body working spreaders here. Rondo spreaders. Alright, the all metal is set up pretty good. I'm pulling the plastic here. I got the stir sticks pulled out already. Pulling out the little release pieces here. Okay, let's see what we got. Little printing off the lid there. Took off some of the ink here apparently. Stuck up there. Interesting. You can see it puddled into little drops, then got flat where the plastic was. But there's little drops here. It should kind of act as a rivet, help hold it from below. The top side's looking pretty good. It's definitely workable.